Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, our topic is online HR payroll software. So, let's start our topic today online HR payroll software. Uh, First of all, we'll discuss what is payroll software in HR. It means what is HR software. What is payroll software in HR? Payroll software is an on-premises or cloud-based solution that manages, maintains, and automates payments to employees. Robust, integrates, and properly configured payroll software can help organizations of all sizes maintain compliance with tax laws and other financial regulations and reduce costs. So, what is best HR payroll software? The best human resource management software of 2023. Let's check the best human resource management software of 2023. Yes, that is top HR management solutions in 2023. So first one is monday.com HR best. So Paycor best for payroll services. Rippling best for automated workflows, and Bamboo HR best for employee self-service. Workday best for global workforce management. Zenefits best for managing freelancers, and ClickUp best for staying organized. So let's discuss what is the possible questions that we ask. What are the three types of HR system? The three types of HR system are human resource information system, human capital management software, and human resource management system. How do I choose an HR system? Choosing an HR system depends on the size of your company. Smaller companies can likely get away with a less robust system. Let's start. How much does human resource management software costs? Pricing varies between different solutions. Some companies offer a free plan, but these often come with limitations. Most companies charge you a set monthly fee along with a fee for use. That's the online HR payroll software. So let's discuss what is online payroll system. Online payroll is payroll that is available strictly on the internet. Payroll is processed by using a secure internet connection for accessing a login to a user software application. The data is stored either in the cloud or on servers provided by the payroll software provider. And so let's talk about what is SAP in HR terms. SAP HR is a part of family of enterprise software solutions encompassing systems, applications, and processes. It is it is a caution to SAP Enterprise Resource Planning, which tracks customer and business interactions. SAP HR to its heritage. So next one is what is payroll software called actually? Paychecks best for self-service by employees for cost and time saving, and rippling full payroll automation. Gusto, a complete payroll solution for business of all sizes. On pay, mobile friendly application, transparent and affordable pricing. Is SAP HR, HRM or HCM? SAP Human Capital Management System is one of the key modules in SAP and is also called SAP Human Resource or SAP Human Resource Management System. So, is an Excel a payroll system? Doing payroll in Excel is best for businesses needing to pay 10 or fewer employees and operating in states without complex labor and tax laws. Since it is a completely manual approach to payroll, it does take time compared to other methods, but can definitely be cost effective for growing businesses. So that's all our topic today, and so we will close our topic today, and we will discuss next in our topic in next video. Next, for watch.